The MapThat Spatial Importer tool is available from the Edit Tools toolbar. Within Edit Tools, let's choose Import Data and let's choose the Spatial Importer. Here we've got options to display or delete previous GIS files that we've uploaded, but in this case let's choose to create a new one. We're going to give the data a name, so we're going to call this LCC Wards. We're going to browse to find the spatial data. In this case it's going to be a shapefile, making sure we choose the individual files for that shapefile and choose Open. In the list of options we're going to specify the data we're uploading is a shapefile, and then we're going to tell it the projection or coordinate system for our data. So in this case 4326. Finally we're going to import it into our GeoStore, so choose that database from the list and then press the Upload tool. Within a few seconds the GIS file, in this case a shapefile, will be uploaded into your GeoStore and available within MapThat. Users can now hover over individual features and show the information bubble, and in addition all of the attributes are available within the attribute table.